Hello, I am Farodi Adli and I am from Indonesia. I will introduce about Trust Wallet especially to my friends from Indonesia and for everyone. Hello everyone, today I want to introduce about what is Trust Wallet. What is Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet app that allows you to send, receive, and store cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Designed with a focus on simplicity, open source wallet aim to provide a platform that's easy and straightforward to set up and use. Trust Wallet allows users to store private keys on their own device, an important security feature, and it included a backup facility for simple recovery. Other features include a built-in decentralized exchange through a partnership with Kyber Network as well as a Web3 browser that allows you to interact with decentralized application directly from the Trust Wallet app. And now I will give a tutorial about how to download the Trust Wallet app. Let's go! How to download Trust Wallet app? First, open your app store on your smartphone. In search bar, search Trust Wallet app and download it. And next, I will take you how to use the Trust Wallet. And this is how to use the Trust Wallet. Let's go! First, how to swap your crypto asset with Trust Wallet. Many people ask what a good feature in the Trust Wallet. And one of the many good features in the Trust Wallet is the swap crypto or exchange in the Trust Wallet apps. And now, I will take you about how to swap or exchange your crypto asset at Trust Wallet. Let's go! Okay, next, this is how to send a token in the Trust Wallet. First, select the token that you want to send. Paste the address of the wallet recipient. Fill in the amount you want to send. And send it. And this is how to receive a token in the Trust Wallet. Okay, first, copy your wallet address and give to the sender. Wait for the sender to send the token to your wallet. Wait a second, and you have received the token. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to download Trust Wallet app and let's support Trust Wallet at the best wallet in the world. I love Trust Wallet.